Good afternoon. This is Brian here reporting. We interrupt your regular scheduled program to inform you that a strange phenomenon has been sweeping not only Jamaica but the whole Caribbean. We join Michael on that report. Michael?
All right, thank you. The entire Jamaica is holding its breath of what is said to be affecting the safari. Hold on. What? When I hear. And we interrupt to inform you that we have live footages of what is said to be the what? The Sandman. That is affecting the Caribbean. Where is Spider-Man? Send me Spider-Man. Or else the whole Jamaica is gonna feel my dust. We are live at the home of the Sandman as people cry for help of their local hero, Spider-Man. Spider-Man, please help us!
Please help us! Help us from Sandman is trying to take over Jamaica! Please!
But the million-dollar question is, where in the chicken back is Spider-Man?